So here's how to unlink Rockstar account from Epic Games account. First, you will need to open the browser and then search for Rockstar support. Then click on the first link, Rockstar Games customer support. And then make sure you're logged in with your Rockstar account before proceeding to send a request. Then click on account support and then Rockstar Games account, then account linking, and type an A in here. And then click the drop box here and select Rockstar Games Launcher. And then you can use this message description. I'm writing this request to request assistance with unlinking my Epic Games account from my Rockstar account because the account was lost or hacked for whatever reason. And then as a result, I would like to link a new Epic Games account. Can you please help me with the process of unlinking the current Epic Games account? And then you will simply need to submit a ticket and then wait for the support to reply. Now, they usually reply after 24 hours when you send them the request, and they might ask for additional stuff like your Epic Games account, username, and ID, and sometimes they will ask you to send a picture of your account open in your PC. So to obtain the Epic Games account ID, you'll simply go to the launcher and then click on your profile logo or icon here, and then click account, and it should open an account settings page, and you will simply see under account information this ID. You can double click it and copy it, and then in the request when they reply to you, you will need to tell them that this is the Epic Games account ID that you want to unlink, and then they might ask you to also give the username. You can find the username as well in here. Click on your profile and copy the username, and then they might ask you for a picture of the account or the profile. You can simply open the profile in a separate page or tab and then send them a picture of it if they request it, and then send them the info, and they will reply back to you asking you if you want to asking for a confirmation if you want to proceed with the unlinking. You will just need to tell them yes, I confirm, and then they will unlink the account. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.